Yeah, so today we're here at Centenary City. You can see people now leave their houses for rent here now, just after Jedidah Estate in Centenary City. Yes, and we have a few plots within this area for sale at just 10 million naira. It's not an estate, it's actually a layout right here just after Jedidah Estate. This is the environment. You can see the environment. This one is Anozie Estate right here. This is another estate within this environment for just 10 million naira. For just 10 million naira. Call me today. Yeah, so as you can see, development is really happening here. The roads are being worked on right now. I'm going to show you. This road leads to Diaspora Estate, leads to City View Estate and the likes. You can see the trees, they've planted the trees and they're grading the roads. Right here, there's a mini police station here. There is a mini police station right there before Jedidah Estate. The property is about 2 minutes drive from Jedidah Estate. This is Jedidah Estate right here. You can see the red roof. And this road is currently being worked on. I just got information that the government is working on this road. Of course, I'm seeing the tractor in front. And this is Elshammah Estate. This is Elshammah, fully occupied estate. You know, this is Jedidah here, fully occupied as well. And this is the road leading out to the Enugu Harcourt Express. You can see the trips of sand and the work that is going on right here. The value of this area, of this place, is going up very soon, very soon. There's a plaza here. There's an event, a mini event center right here. You can see this is Jedidah Estate. This is Jedidah Estate right there, fully occupied as well. People live in the estate. This is the plaza. You can see there already is a pharmacy. There's a hair salon, there's a food restaurant, there's a laundry shop, right? So you can see it's a very developing place. So see the road that is being worked on as we speak. So just imagine how much the properties here will be once this road is completed. Once the road is completed. Okay, we came for another assignment and we noticed that the road is being worked on, so we thought to just bring you this update and also inform you about our property that is selling here for 10 million naira. It's not an estate, it's actually a layout, a registered layout right here in Centenary City. 2 minutes drive from Jedidah Estate. 2 minutes from Jedidah Estate. 10 million naira. It's a built up environment. I made a video of that place. You can see the tractor is working, building the roads. So once this road is built and graded, you see how wide the road is, right? So the value of that place is going up very soon. This is Centenary City, and you already know that value of property here appreciates fast. See the buildings around. See, there's a mini estate here as well, and then there are some other shopping plazas and hotels within this place as well. So call today on 00967376668 and let us bring you for a free inspection right here. You take a look and of course go ahead and key in as soon as possible. You can see that is Spotter Life there. Spotter Life sold at 25 million naira a plot. And right there is the entrance into Centenary, the main Centenary Estate. Yeah, so from the property to the express is about 3 minutes drive. So this is the exit from Centenary. If you like this type of videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you get to see more of this type of content. I'm Jeff Anozie and I bring you real estate updates right here in Enugu. I'll see you on the next video. I'm expecting your call. Call us now on 00967376668 and let us bring you for a free inspection right here at the horizontal layouts. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Yes, I am Jeff Anozie and I'm your real estate consultant. It's right here in Enugu, but we cover properties in Owerri, Awka, Abakaliki and Enugu right here. So if you're looking for a property, please send a message to that number right there or call us on 0809-673-7668 and definitely we will hook you up with your best budget. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can see more of it. And if you're looking for, if you want us to create a video for any other place in Enugu, please let us know in the comment section. I will sure try to make that work. Till then, enjoy a fantastic day and bye for now.